Good morning, sir. Myself Niharika Vajpayee, and my topic is Major Freedom Fighters in India. First, Rani Lakshmi Bai. Rani Lakshmi Bai was born on 19 November 1828 in the town of Varanasi into a Marathi Brahmin family. She was named Manikarnika Tambe and was nicknamed Manu. Her father was Moropant Tambe and her mother Bhagirathi Sapre. Her parents came from Maharashtra. Her mother died when she was 4 years old. Her father was the commander of the war of Kalyanpur. Her father worked for Peshwa Baji Rao of Bittur district. The Peshwa called her Chabili, which means playful. She was educated at home, able to read and write, and was more independent in her childhood than others of her age. Her studies included shooting, horsemanship, fencing, and Malakhamba with her childhood friends Nana Sahib and Tatya Tope. Manikarnika was married to the Maharaja of Jhansi, Gangadhar Rao Nevalkar, in May 1842 and was afterward called Lakshmi Bai in honor of Hindu goddess Lakshmi, and according to the Maharashtrian tradition of women being given a new name after marriage. In September 1851, he gave birth to a boy, later named Damodar Rao, who died 4 months after birth. The Maharaja adopted a child called Anand Rao. On 10 May 1857, the Indian Revolution started in Meerut. Jhansi became a major center of revolt of 1857. Rani Lakshmi Bai of Jhansi began to strengthen security and started a volunteer army. Ordinary people also contributed to the revolt. In 1857, the kings of the neighboring state of Jhansi, Orchha and Datia attacked. Rani Lakshmi Bai defeated them successfully. In March 1858, the British army besieged the city of Jhansi. But Rani, with her adopted son Damodar Rao, was able to escape. Rani died on June 18, 1858. Rani Lakshmi Bai was the great heroine of the First World War of Indian freedom. Her life is a thrilling story of womanliness, courage, adventure, deathless patriotism. Rani Lakshmi Bai was the real meaning of the ideal heroine. She was proud of not just India but the world woman. Second, Sardar Patel, the Iron Man of India. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was born on 31st October 1875 in Nadiad village in Gujarat. His full name is Vallabhbhai Javed Bhai Patel and popularly known as Sardar Patel. Sardar Patel's father, Javed Bhai Patel, served in the army of Queen of Jhansi, and mother, Ladbai, is a simple lady, or we also called as housewife. Patel was a very brave character since childhood. There had been an incident when he treated a painful boil without any hesitation using a hot iron rod. His life has been an inspiring and motivating one. Firstly, he achieved his professional goals with very little support from others, and thereby playing a major decisive role in bringing the people of India together to fight for the nation's independence. His belief in the principle of unity in diversity and stand united for the common cause of India's independence made him the Iron Man of India. After independence, he was appointed as first Home Minister of India and the Commander-in-Chief of Indian Armed Force. Later, he also became the first Deputy Prime Minister of India. Patel died on 15 December 1950 after suffering a massive heart attack. Thank you.